बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल होम लर्निंग। पिछले वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ कंप्यूटर एब्रिविएशंस एंड एक्रोनिम्स के बारे में डिस्कस कर रही थी और वीडियो के एंड में मैंने आप लोगों के लिए क्वेश्चन दिया था और वो क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ जेपीईजी और इसका आंसर है जॉइंट फोटोग्राफिक एक्सपर्ट्स ग्रुप। फ्रेंड्स, आज के वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ फर्स्ट इन इंडिया के बारे में डिस्कस करूंगी। वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने जा रही है तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु वाज द फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? Answer, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 2. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer, Indira Gandhi. Question number 3. When was the PIN system first introduced in India? Answer, 1972. Question number 4. Who was the first US President to visit India? Answer, Dwight Eisenhower. Question number 5. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer, Sukumar Sen. Question number 6. Who was the first Law and Justice Minister of India? Answer, B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 7. Who was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament? Answer, Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 8. When was the first telegraph line started in India? Answer, 1851. Question number 9. Who was the first Gupta king to issue silver coins? Answer, Chandragupta II. Question number 10. Who was the first Miss World from India? Answer, Rieta Faria. Question number 11. Who is known as the first woman to drive a car in India? Answer, Suzanne Tata. Question number 12. Where was the first metro rail service introduced in India? Answer, Kolkata. Question number 13. When was the first general election held in independent India? Answer, 1951. Question number 14. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? Answer, C. Rajagopalachari. Question number 15. Which is the first Indian Institute of Technology, IIT? Answer, IIT Kharagpur. Question number 16. Name the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at Olympic Games. Answer, Abhinav Bindra. Question number 17. Who owned the first edition of the Indian Premier League, IPL? Answer, Rajasthan Royals. Question number 18. Which is the first month of Sakka calendar? Answer, Chaitra. Question number 19. Which was the India's first mission to the moon? Answer, Chandrayaan-1. Question number 20. Jivraj Narayan Mehta was the first chief minister of which state? Answer, Gujarat. Question number 21. Who was the first viceroy of India? Answer, Lord Canning. Question number 22. When was the first passenger train ran in India? Answer, 1853. Question number 23. Who was the first Mughal emperor of India? Answer, Babur. Question number 24. Who was the first Indian to travel space? Answer, Rakesh Sharma. Question number 25. Who won the first Dadabhai Phalke Award? आंसर देविका रानी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, हु वाज द फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमेन टू विन अ सिल्वर मेडल इन ओलंपिक्स? आंसर PV Sindhu। Question number 27, in which year Nota option was first used in the Indian election? Answer 2013। Question number 28, which movie won the first National Film Award for the best feature film? Answer Shyamchi Aai। Question number 29, who was the first female IAS officer in India? Answer Anna Rajam Malhotra। Question number 30, name the first missile developed in India? आंसर पृथ्वी। अब जो क्वेश्चन मैं देने वाली हूँ इसका आंसर आप लोगों को कमेंट बॉक्स में बताना है और वो क्वेश्चन है हु वाज द फर्स्ट वुमेन गवर्नर ऑफ एन इंडियन स्टेट। आई होप ये वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल रहा होगा। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। थैंक यू।